What's going on, everyone? You got a 2023 Ford F150, and today we're going to replace the cabin filter. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the glove box door. So we're going to open this up, and we have these stoppers here that all we have to do is push them in on the sides like this, and the glove box will come down. Okay. And when we come down so far, what we can do is we can pull towards us, and we can actually just pull the whole glove box off. The hinge is an open style hinge. Okay, and this is on these guys right here. Okay, it's pretty easy to put back. Once we get that off, the cabin filter is located in this compartment right here. Okay, this is the door actually, and we're gonna go back here and grab this clip and pull it towards us. Same thing with this side here. Grab the clip, pull it towards us, then we can pull the door up and off. Okay, so the bottom part has these little feet go to these holes right here. Here's the cabin filter. I'm gonna pull it out. This one was pretty dirty. We're gonna get our new one. And with the new one, they're always labeled with airflow direction, and the airflow is down. Okay, so got the arrows here facing down. Put the filter in. That. And then you get the door and put those little feet in first. And then line it up. This is kind of tricky with one hand. Lock the door back on, push it on like that. Just get your glove box, line up the hinges here, like this. See how it falls right on. And then close the glove box. Alright, then you're all done. Well, hope the video was quick and straight to the point. If you need a cabin air filter, I have a link down in the description box below. If you could do me a favor and leave a like or a comment, that would be really good. And hope to see you again in another Ford F-150 video.